Well, the old naval base at Ingleside, now the MODA Ingleside Energy Center, and MODA Midstream has transformed that 900-acre property into what could become, that is, a key player in America's energy future. And its newest expansion there will allow the company to move Texas crude oil to global markets. Our Paulo Salazar has a tour of that facility and a look at how it will benefit this area.
A once bustling naval base now has new life as MODA Midstream announced a major expansion to its Ingleside Energy Center. MODA is a liquids terminaling and logistics company that provides independent terminal, storage, and distribution to refiners, manufacturers, marketers, and producers of crude oil and other bulky liquids.
So here in Ingleside, it's going to be a very significant market for crude oil. There are today already several inbound pipelines, 3 new inbound pipelines that can handle over 2 million barrels a day of crude oil are being built.
And MODA just announced upgrades to its berthing docks, enabling the loading of very large crude carriers, or VLCCs. It can now provide existing and potential customers the ability to safely and cost-effectively load VLCCs at rates of 80,000 barrels of crude oil per hour.
Today we see it really as a gateway to bringing U.S. production of crude oil and natural gas liquids and other products to the world markets.
The location of the facility allows for a short transit to the Gulf of Mexico and minimal port congestion, which means quick turnaround times for customers.
We're continuing to add to our capabilities here and to do it in a way that, again, allows us to do it safely, efficiently, cost-effectively, and provide a reliable and safe solution to our customers.
MODA is hoping to become a major player in America's energy future, getting crude oil from the Permian Basin and Eagle Ford Shale to key domestic and international markets.
Those barrels are going to make this area an extremely important market, and our intention is to be ready to hook up to those pipelines and to be able to handle the barrels that are received there.
It can already handle 2.1 million barrels of crude oil, with expansion on the way to handle an additional 10 million barrels in the future. In Ingleside, Paulo Salazar for Chris 6 News.
Now, construction has already started on the infrastructure needed to connect the energy center with major pipelines from the Eagle Ford and the Permian Basin. The work should be completed by 2020. Well, former Trump campaign